Here we are, out here after a nice day of fishing, and I hope you guys like this video. I think it's a little bit better filmed. Sorry if you can't see me. It's a little bit better filmed than the last videos, and yeah, so enjoy. Get him in. Hooked on to it's a nice pickerel. Nice fish. He's got another one right here. Really? This one's a little bit bigger. Yeah, dude. Let's grab him. Got him, dude. Another pickerel. Yeah, dude. I'm gonna use a black one later on. It's a little darker, maybe. Yeah. Nice little fish, though. A decent size. Just, yeah, dude. He was barely hooked in. Oh yeah, he's got a little bit of a belly. Look at that fish. Nice. Let's let him go. There you go. Goes on down. Going down.
That's a nice one, close to 2 pounds.
That's a beautiful. Nice.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
That's a nice little chunk right there. Oh yeah, dude. He's a nice one. Let's go. Oh yeah, he's hooked in that little piece of like little muscle right there. That's nothing up there. That's a nice little chunk right there. Yeah, dude. Yes, sir. That's a fish right there. Look at that, dude. Go right here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, dude. Ah, right behind us. Got another one. Nice, dude. Got a nice.
Eastwood right here, I think, coming.
Ranger's got a nice little perch. Pretty big. Nice little fish. Nice. Nice little one right here. Get him in. Oh, that's a pretty nice, decent sized pick. Yeah, the pick today are going crazy.
Out here at the deep.
Now you did a deep dive. Nice. Get him in. Oh, he's a little one. A pound?
Yeah. A little less, probably.
Yeah. Nice little fish.
Yeah. Nice little baby. Triple in.
Okay. It's pulled in this nice one right off that rim right there, dude.
10 pounds.
Right off the Gambler, dude. Hit it hard. Nice, nice. Here we are out here. Just got stuck out here. The battery died. Just rigging up a new, different rig. Seeing if I can pick up a couple crappie.
You can bring them to the lake.
Let's go. I'm gonna swim out there a little bit. Bye. Nice little sunfish. Grasshopper. Not pulling anything else. We'll switch to that. Nice, pretty size, pretty nice sized fish. Nice sunfish, dude. Look at the size of him. Huge sunfish. Let's get let him go right here. There's a lot of big sunfish out here. Huge sunnies, dude. Huge. Look at that one. Let's let him go right here. Ah, he goes. Nice little snake here, dude. Northern water. I'm gonna bring him over here away from all these people. He just nipped my toe, and next thing you know, I just see him swimming up onto the shore. So I'm gonna let him go. Let him go way over here because I don't want him bothering these nice little people. And he got me really nice right here, dude. Bit me. Oh, crap, dude. Get off me. Oh, jeez, dude. He's a nice fish. Here he goes. Ready? Let him go. He's on. He's gone. Yo! Get him in. Get him in.
We go with the rocking bait. There you go. You're not gonna get on this one, dude.
Nice. Got the pickerel now. Snake and then the pickerel. Right next to each other.
Yeah, she got lost. Wait a second. Let me give me the phone thing.
You want me to grab
hey,
him?
where you
Let me
at?
take him up.
Where you
I
at?
got you. Hello. Get him on the shore. Yeah, dude. Hey guys. So that was Amston Lake Fishing 4th of July. I hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like and a comment if you'd like to see more. Subscribe if you guys could share with your friends. Any help would be appreciated right now. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, that's offset.fishing. I do not have a Facebook. I don't know if anyone even uses Facebook anymore, but yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you again with another video. I'll probably make another one by the end of the week, or even maybe by tomorrow or Thursday. Thank you for watching again. Have a nice day.